How to connect T-Mobile to Starlink on iPhone. Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to connect your T-Mobile service to a Starlink internet network using your iPhone. I'll walk you through how to properly link your iPhone with Starlink while keeping T-Mobile active for calls and texts. Follow these steps to get it working again. Step 1. Set up your Starlink Wi-Fi. Make sure your Starlink router is powered on and showing an active signal. Open the Starlink app, confirm the status says online, and note your network name, SSID, and password. Step 2. Connect iPhone to Starlink Wi-Fi. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then Wi-Fi, find your Starlink network, and tap to connect. Enter your password and wait until it shows the blue check mark. That means you're connected. Step 3. Keep T-Mobile active for calls and texts. Even though your iPhone is using Starlink for internet, T-Mobile still handles your cellular calls and SMS automatically. You don't need to turn off cellular. Your iPhone will automatically switch between Starlink Wi-Fi for data and T-Mobile for phone functions. Step 4. Turn off Wi-Fi Assist optional. If your iPhone keeps dropping Starlink and using T-Mobile data instead, go to Settings, then Cellular, then Wi-Fi Assist, and toggle it off. This forces your phone to stay connected to Starlink Wi-Fi even when the signal drops slightly. Step 5. Test your internet connection. Now open Safari or YouTube to check if pages load quickly. If not, open the Starlink app again and run a speed test to make sure your internet is live. If the app shows searching or no connection, restart your router and try reconnecting. And that's it. Your iPhone should now be fully connected to Starlink Wi-Fi while staying on T-Mobile for calls and texts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides.